Before beginning any translation project, it's crucial to establish the specifications. This involves understanding the text type, whether it's technical, literary, or legal, and identifying the target audience, which can range from industry professionals to the general public. The purpose of the translation must be clear, whether it's for informative, persuasive, or instructional use. Additionally, the format of the final document is key, as it may require adaptation for digital, print, or multimedia platforms. Reference materials, such as glossaries or style guides provided by the client, should be consulted to maintain consistency. Finally, the tools used, from translation software to dictionaries, must be chosen wisely. These specifications ensure that the translation process is tailored to the client's needs and that the final product meets all expectations. Terminology is the backbone of a successful translation. The first step is research, understanding the specific terms used in the source text and how they should be accurately rendered in the target language. This might involve reading up on the subject matter or consulting specialized dictionaries. Creating a glossary is essential, particularly when working with technical or industry-specific texts. A glossary ensures consistency in term usage throughout the translation and serves as a reference for ongoing and future projects. If the client provides resources, such as an existing glossary or preferred terminology, these should be integrated into the translation process. This meticulous approach to terminology helps maintain the precision and clarity of the translation. The core of the translation process is producing a text in the target language that faithfully communicates the meaning of the source text. This goes beyond simply converting words. It involves capturing the nuances, tone, and intent of the original. Translators must consider the specifications, ensuring that the translated text is appropriate for its intended audience, purpose, and format. This phase requires a deep understanding of both the source and target languages, as well as the cultural contexts they represent. The goal is to create a translation that reads naturally in the target language while staying true to the original message. Editing is a critical step in the translation process, where the translated text is compared against the source text. This phase ensures completeness. Nothing should be added or omitted, and accuracy, where the meaning and information are preserved. The editor checks for style and register, making sure the tone is appropriate for the target audience and purpose. Consistency is another key focus, particularly with terminology and formatting, while readability ensures that the translation flows smoothly and is easy to understand. This thorough review helps eliminate any errors or inconsistencies, refining the translation to meet the highest standards. Proofreading is the final check before the translation is delivered. Here, the focus is on the target text itself, with attention to details like typography, spelling, grammar, and punctuation. This step ensures that the translation is free of errors that could affect its readability or professionalism. Consistent usage of terms is also verified, along with the overall presentation of the text. Proofreading might seem like a small task, but it's essential for delivering a polished and professional translation. It's the last line of defense against mistakes that could undermine the quality of the work. Proper formatting is essential to ensure the translation not only reads well but also looks professional. This involves checking for consistency in fonts and emphasis, such as bold or italics, as well as bullets or numbering. Spacing between lines and paragraphs, margins, and the alignment of graphics and tables are also reviewed to ensure they match the original layout. Colors used in the text or graphics must be consistent with the source material, maintaining visual coherence. Good formatting enhances the readability and overall presentation of the translated text, making it more effective and visually appealing. Verification is a quality assurance step where the final version of the translation is compared with the original text and the initial specifications. This comparison ensures that the translation meets all the requirements set out at the beginning of the project. It's not just about accuracy but also about ensuring that the translation adheres to the agreed style, tone, and format. Any discrepancies are addressed at this stage to ensure that the translation is of the highest quality. Verification is a critical step that guarantees the translation is ready for delivery and fully aligned with the client's expectations. Delivery is the final stage of the translation process, where the completed translation is sent to the client. It's essential that the translation is provided in the agreed format, whether it's a Word document, PDF, or another digital format. It meets the agreed specifications, including any special formatting or layout requirements. Timeliness is also crucial. Meeting the agreed delivery date is a key part of maintaining professional standards. Upon delivery, the client should receive a polished, accurate translation that is ready for immediate use, whether for publication, presentation, or internal use. This final step concludes the translation process, ensuring client satisfaction and the successful completion of the project.